welcome back, or welcome if it's the first time here. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Now in today's video I'll be doing the what's in my bag. I've seen this video a few times on YouTube and I am nosy as hell, so I'm always wanting to know what's in somebody's bag. So I thought, why not show you what's in my bag? So basically I'll be showing you what's in my everyday bag, which is my Michael Kors bag. I got it for Christmas. And it's such a nice staple bag. It's black and it basically goes with everything. So I usually grab this bag when I'm going out the door. It holds everything that I could possibly need to use in a day. So I love this bag. It's quite sturdy. It's very well structured, and I think it's either a leather material or something of that sort. Could be, yes, but it's a very nice bag, and it has these bits at the bottom, so it makes it sit down very easily without falling over. So this is one of my favorite bags, and as I said, I got it for Christmas, and it was one of the best gifts I got for Christmas. Now it has a short strap which you can put over your arm like that, or you can hold it like so, and then it has a long strap, so if you don't feel like carrying it like this, you can put it over your shoulder like a crossbody bag or something of that sort. So it's quite a nice and handy bag if you're going out, you know, shopping, or if you're going out to lunch with the girls. This is the perfect bag. I love it so much, you guys. It's just small and neat, just the way I like it. Now, enough of that. Let me show you what's in this bag. I've forgotten exactly what's in it, so I might be just as surprised as you are. So without further ado, guys, let me go ahead and show you what's in my bag. So guys, I have not touched my bag. I just quickly grabbed it off the floor, or where was it? Yeah, it was on the floor this time. I don't usually like to put my bags on the floor because there's a saying, there's a superstition that if you put your bags on the floor, you will go broke. And I'm a Jamaican, so I am very superstitious. I always try not to put my bags on the floor, but somehow this was on the floor and I just quickly grabbed it up and decided to go ahead and show you what's in it. So first, guys, I want to show you how the bag is set up. So it has a big pocket like that, and when you open it, it has a zipped part right here, so you can put your, you know, your lip gloss and your little card holder and your mirrors or whatever small objects you have. You can put it in this pocket right here. And then of course it has these little, well, these are more like for card holders. It has these little parts right here, these little compartments. It's two of them. And then of course inside it says Michael Kors. I know a lot of people look down on Michael Kors, but you know what? Michael Kors has really good quality stuff. I have like 2 watches and I have a handbag from Michael Kors because I'm all about good quality. I mean, it's like in between. It's not expensive, it's not too expensive, and it's not too cheap, but it's affordable and it's great quality. So I do like Michael Kors. Now guys, I am going to go ahead and start showing you what's in the bag. So first of all, I've got a pack of tissues. I always walk with a pack of tissues because my nose is always running, or my eyes are always running, or something, or I want to wipe my hands for some reason. So I always have a pack of tissues in my bag. And my nose is running as we speak. Okay, and of course an empty pack of tissues. Gums, of course, for when that breath starts to feel a little funny. You know, you pop a gum, chew it, freshen up that breath. Yes, I always have my gum. If I don't have gums, I have mints in my bag. Then of course you gotta have your lotion. Don't know the brand, but it smells absolutely divine. So I always have this in my bag just in case I wash my hands and my hands get a little bit dry. Hand lotions, I love hand lotions because I hate when my hands look really dry and just chappy. So I always have a hand lotion in my bag. So this one smells really, really nice. Lotus flowers. I love it so much, guys. I don't want it to finish, so I'm always using like the tiniest bit. If you know, you know. Okay, and then I have a powder that's for touching up my face when I go out and I get a bit shiny. Of course, you know, you always have to have your powder or something to sort of touch up your face when it gets a bit shiny or oily. So I have this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder, which I use to touch up my face when I go out. Of course, lip gloss. Always have to have a lip gloss. I sometimes have lipsticks in my bag, but I didn't have any that day that I took my bag out. I had a lip gloss in my bag, and this one is very old, you guys. I think I need to toss this out. It's from Rimmel. I love it so much. I think I'll get a new one. What's this one called? Even the name is gone. It shows you that it's old, so I have to throw this one out and get a new one, but this is really, really nice. And of course, hand wipes. I always have hand wipes in my bags because I am sort of a germaphobe, and I always, if I can't get to wash my hands, I at least want to keep my hands clean by wiping them with a hand wipe. So I always have one of these in my bag just to keep my hands nice and clean. And with this COVID situation now, girl, yeah, cleanliness is next to godliness, so we always have to have a hand wipe in the bag. Okay, and I have a hair tie, of course, and that's all I have in that part of my bag. I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the pockets. I'm going to show you what's in the pocket. Oh, my hair is so unruly. Excuse me if you see me trying to fluff it up. It's just unruly today. Anyway, so what's in the pocket part of my bag? Okay, so of course I have my card holder, which has my cards and a few business cards. It has no money, just cards. So it has all my cards and stuff, and other people's business cards as well. So that's where I keep my business cards and my credit cards and debit cards. And then, of course, I've got my Shaunz beauty mirror. This is super cute, you guys. It has a magnifying bit and then a regular bit here. I love this mirror so much. It's super cute. And so I usually take it in my bag when I'm going out, because I always got to make sure that everything is looking right, darling. So get one of these mirrors from Shaunz Beauty. They're perfect and they are so, oh, I love it. So I always have a Shaunz Beauty mirror in my bag. And next, okay. I've been looking for this watch. So I was supposed to go and get batteries for this watch, and I absolutely forgot about it. So this is a watch that I got 2 years ago for my birthday, and this is a Michael Kors watch. I love it so much. It looks very expensive and it just looks well made and high quality. So this is one of my favorite watches, and this is also from Michael Kors, but I have to get batteries for it, so that's why it's in my bag. I forgot about that watch actually. And what else? I still have that Michael Kors thing that comes with the bag, receipts, and that's it. So that's it for inside the bag. Nothing interesting, you guys, I promise you. Sometimes I go from nothing in my bag to my bag being full to capacity, but you know, when I took my bag out last, I did not have a lot of stuff to put in my bag. I just put the more important things in, girls, you know. Okay, and this is the outside part of the bag. It also has an outer part, and in there, I've got my hand sanitizer, of course. Always have to have one of these. COVID, no COVID, okay? And then I've got another wipe in my bag, of course. Guys, I know I'm a little bit over the top, but I always have to have my hand wipes in my bag. Okay, and of course, mints. Have mints in my bag. No, I don't have bad breath, but I like to keep my breath fresh if it's feeling a bit funny. So I always have mints or gum in my bag. And of course, receipts, basically. And basically, guys, that is all I have in my bag. I don't have my actual purse because I just didn't want too many things in my bag, but I usually have my purse, and I usually have like an umbrella in my bag. So basically, that's all I have in this bag. These are all the things I have in this bag. I mean, it's not much for this size bag, but I just didn't want to get my bag full. So these are all the bits and pieces that I had in my bag. Okay guys, so that's all I have to show you in my bag. Not very interesting, but I had all the important bits and pieces that a girl needs in her bag. The only thing that was missing, I have, because I'm in the UK, so umbrellas are very necessary, and my actual purse itself, and maybe a lipstick or two, which I usually have in my bag. But because I wanted to make my bag very light, I took out a lot of things, and these are the things that were left in my bag, and I count these things as being important. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Let me know what you have in your bag. I am very, very nosy like that. I would really like to know what you've got in your bag. So please go ahead and do this. What's in my bag? I think it's a challenge or something of that sort. So if you want to do it, go ahead and do it, because I'd love to see what you have in your bag, because I am nosy. Yes, I am nosy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed, go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, turn the notifications on, of course, and leave me a comment to let me know if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what's in your bag. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye-bye. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you... Hey lovelies, welcome back, or welcome if you... Hello beauties, so welcome back. So today I'll be doing... Yeah.